Hello everyone and welcome to the Ebumars Innovation. Today we have a special product for you. We'll be talking about the mini doorbell. This doorbell has two-way audio, it has capture image when pressed. You can hold the press button to do a video call with the person at your door. And it has two-way audio, also has video. You can actually do like a video call with anybody at your door when the person presses the doorbell. And you can also receive it. So let's unbox this guy. Okay, here in our box now we have our manual, we have our power cord, we have our, this is the guy that's going to be mounted by the door. This guy is going to be mounted by the door. We also have this thing here. We have this guy. This guy is going to be connected to your 5-volt charging brick, and this is my 5-volt charging brick here. I'm going to connect it to this guy, this connection here, and it's going to be plugged close to a place where you want to be. This guy is optional to use. You only need it when you're setting up this system, but once you are done, you don't really need this guy. You can use your mobile phone for that and everything you need the mobile phone to do. So now we're going to jump straight into the mobile configuration of this product. Before we move on to the next section, there's something very important you need to know before you go for mobile configuration. As you can see here, you have your pairing button, your volume control, and your music selection right here. So now you need to click, see, as you can see, you see the settings icon on this guy. So you need to know where this guy is. This is your button. We're going to be holding this guy down later in the video, so just take note of that. Okay, so you can see our X Smart Home app. We open our X Smart Home app. We click on Add Device. Click on Add Device. We click on the Smart Doorbell, and once we click on the Smart Doorbell, you input your password. You need to be connected to a Wi-Fi. So you click on this, then you click on Next. You confirm. You click on this Confirm. Once the confirm has been clicked on, you need to reset by holding for 10 seconds, as you can see on that your March Infotech Mini Smart Doorbell. Then you hold it for 10 seconds. See, it's going to say please rebind, and then you hold it down, and then once you hear the reset, you click on next. After clicking on next, Bluetooth connected. Now you press that button that I was telling you about. Press the button for 5 seconds. You press. So as you can see, we are done with our connection now. So to show you how this thing works, click on this guy on the doorbell. Okay, once you double click on this guy, now you see it's coming up with calls, and then from here you can look at the person at the other side of the screen. You can see, look at the other person on the side of the screen. You can also talk. He has two-way audio and all that. So that's all for this installation.